Hi, I'm John. Welcome to Disney News Jam. Hi everyone, and welcome back to your weekly happy place. If you're new here, please subscribe, ring the bell to be notified each week when the show drops, and hit the like button if you love Disney. A special shout out to all our group members of Disney Cruising Australia and Australia's Travelling to Disney on Facebook. On this week's show, we talk about the holiday season coming to Disneyland and Disney World. The reason for all this. We'll tell you what flights to Disneyland and Disney World cost this week. Maria is here for your weekly Disney Cruise Line tips and tricks. Chase from DisneylandToday.net is here for his weekly ride focus. And this week's Disney Hotel focus is Disney's Grand Californian Hotel and Spa at Disneyland. It is another jam-packed show, so let's get into it. The holidays at Disneyland Resort are returning November 10th this year through to January 7th of 2024. Here are the details about the celebrations, decor, entertainment and more that will be featured this holiday season. A distinctly Disney holiday celebration with diverse food, live entertainment and more. Disney's Festival of the Holidays at Disney California Adventure draws inspiration from multicultural seasonal celebrations and cherished traditions of Christmas, Navidad, Diwali, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa and Three Kings Day. And guys, if I mispronunciation there, I'm extremely sorry. You can enjoy some new and returning favorite food and beverage items at the Disney's Festival of Holidays marketplaces and groove to music and dance performance at the Palisades Stage, Sonoma Terrace, and for the first time in the Hollywood backlot where Disney's Festival of Holidays will also be celebrated. Also, get ready to dance along as Disney and Pixar characters march to the beat of the holiday toy drummers in Mickey's Happy Holidays. Disney's Viva Navidad will return to Paradise Gardens Park for its 10th season. And this year you can taste your way through an all-new menu at Paradise Garden Grill, featuring Mexican dancers and mariachis, Brazilian samba dancers, and percussionists, giant puppets, and Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse in their holiday best. Ornaments, lights, and more will also embellish favorite attractions that get a special holiday overlay. In Disneyland, you'll be serenaded by choruses of jolly tunes on the wintry waterway of It's a Small World holiday. And Jack Skellington from Tim Burton's The Nightmare Before Christmas redecorates the Haunted Mansion, transforming it into a frightfully festive Haunted Mansion holiday, complete with a new, hauntingly delightful gingerbread house. Gear up for some cheer in Disney's California Adventure on Luigi's Joy to the World and Maida's Jingle Jamboree, which will both undergo seasonal spins for the holidays. And of course, the holiday season isn't complete without enjoying some merry entertainment. At Disneyland Park, a Christmas fantasy parade will spread cheer starring characters from Disney Animation's Frozen, Disney and Pixar's Toy Story, and many more. In the evenings, you can watch as the Believe in Holiday Magic Nighttime Spectacular illuminates the night sky with breathtaking fireworks and sprinkles of snow. At Disney's California Adventure Park, World of Color Season of Light will fill Paradise Bay with the spirit of togetherness and love as hundreds of fountains illustrate warm moments from Disney animated films. At Walt Disney World this year for the holidays, we have two special events. Firstly, Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party. Holiday dreams come true when you celebrate the season with Mickey Mouse and pals at this separate ticketed event. With a ticket to this event, you can behold fantastically festive entertainment like Minnie's wonderful Christmas time fireworks show, gather to watch Disney characters give a Yuletide nod to the season during Mickey's Once Upon a Christmas parade, get the perfect picture with Disney pals dressed up in their Christmas best. Savor sweet moments as you enjoy cookies and cocoa available in select locations at no extra charge. Walk in a winter wonderland as you witness a snowfall on Main Street, USA, and enjoy iconic Magic Kingdom attractions, including some with a holiday twist. And the new Disney Jollywood Nights. Celebrate the holidays in style at a brand new nighttime party at Disney's Hollywood Studios. Select nights November 11th to December 20, 2023 is a separate ticket event you won't want to miss. With a ticket to Disney Jollywood Nights, you can step into a shimmering holiday scene with glitz and glam galore, including dapper decor. Behold Yuletide entertainment with live bands and musical variety shows, and the return of the Jingle Bell Jingle Bam Nighttime Spectacular. Explore swanky venues and themed entertainment areas where you can dance the night away. Enjoy some favorite attractions with lower wait times since the number of tickets for this event is limited. Encounter some nostalgic characters as they spread holiday cheer. Treat your senses to specialty sips and bites available for purchase, including savory dishes, sweet treats, classic cocktails, and an assortment of specialty, curated holiday beverages. Capture picture-perfect moments with all new Disney PhotoPass offerings and receive downloads of your Disney PhotoPass digital photos and videos from the event, included with your event ticket. So guys, this coming Wednesday, flights to LAX and Disneyland come in at $1,675, and flights to Orlando International Airport and Disney World come in at $1,965. And now it's time to take you over to Maria for your weekly Disney Cruise Line tip.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to this week's Disney Cruise Line tip. Packing for your Disney Cruise Line vacation. Packing for your cruise line vacation or any vacation can be daunting if you don't know where to start. We've selected top 10 items to pack for your Disney cruise. Swimsuits. We'd recommend to pack at least 2 to change over while the other one is drying, so that you don't have to miss out on a splashing good time. Sunglasses. Not only will they provide your eyes protection from the sun, you'll also look cool and stylish too. The sun might also be glaring bright, reflecting its rays from the ocean, and having to look out at sea and not having to squint your eyes is a bonus. Sun hats. Never say no to extra protection from the hot sun. A headache can really bring your vacation fun to a halt. Not to mention another excuse to flaunt your stylish look. Sunblock. Pack a high SPF waterproof sunscreen. This one's important as the sun can really burn your skin, and if you've been sunburned before, you know how much of a pain it is to heal, let alone ruin your time in the sun for the rest of your vacation. Windbreaker jacket, spirit jersey, or other type of layering pieces. During the day, it might get hot enough to think, why did you even bother packing a jacket? But at nightfall, you'll understand why you did. It sure does get cooler and windier at night being out at sea. And if you want to take a night stroll on the deck and stop to watch the ocean, you'll be glad that you've got your layers. Medications. Extremely important you take all your prescription medications with you and be sure that they're packed in their original packaging. Medication on board is both limited and pricey. Passports or government ID. Be sure to pack your required travel documents, as guests without their proper documentation will be denied boarding. Cameras and corresponding accessories. If you're anything like me and love capturing every moment, be sure to pack your camera or your phone, of course. Magic will be found at every corner and you don't want to miss it, so snap away. Comfortable clothing and shoes. Since the cruise will basically be your home for the next 2 to 7 days, you'd want to be as comfortable as possible. Plus, have enough room to splurge on all the delicious food offerings. As for shoes, be prepared to do a lot of walking. Sometimes you'll be walking and not realize how much you've walked until you're finally able to take your shoes off. So make sure you bring your comfy pair for walking those long distances and also for your port adventures. Your own tumbler or drink bottle. This will come in handy when you don't need to keep grabbing a paper cup at the beverage stations. And also, refill your drink bottle to take with you to your port adventures. Have you started to pack for your vacation yet? Do you have any packing tips you'd like to share? Let us know in the comments down below. And that's it for our Disney Cruise Line tips. See you next week for the latest Disney Cruise Line news, tips and tricks. And now it's back to you, John.
Thank you for that, Maria. We've been tracking the Wonder on its way to Hawaii this week. Its last stop before coming down under very soon. For more details, go over to our Facebook group, Disney Cruising Australia. And now it's time to go over to Chase from DisneylandToday.net in the USA for this week's Disneyland Ride Focus.
Hi everyone, this is Chase from DisneylandToday.net in the USA, and this week's Disneyland Ride Focus is the upcoming It's a Small World holiday. Visiting Disneyland during the holiday season is a truly enchanting experience, and one attraction that captures the spirit of the holidays like no other is It's a Small World holiday. The iconic ride gets a festive makeover, transporting guests into a world of joy, unity, and celebration. As you step foot inside It's a Small World holiday, you're immediately greeted with a dazzling display of vibrant holiday decorations. The exterior of the attraction is adorned with thousands of colorful lights, sparkling snowflakes, and charming garlands. The attention to detail is impeccable, and it sets the tone for the unforgettable experience that awaits. Once aboard the gentle boat ride, you're serenaded by the beloved It's a Small World theme song, infused with cheerful holiday tunes. The catchy melodies and heartwarming lyrics instantly put a smile on your face, creating an atmosphere filled with joy and merriment. Sing along as you journey through the various regions of the world, each uniquely decorated to showcase different holiday traditions. One of the highlights of It's a Small World holiday is the incredible animatronic figures that bring the ride to life. These meticulously crafted dolls are dressed in festive attire, representing cultures from around the globe. From dancing Santas to reindeer-led sleighs, every scene is a feast for the eyes. The attention to detail in the costumes, movements, and facial expressions of the dolls is truly remarkable, making it a joy to watch and immersing yourself in the enchanting world. As evening falls, It's a Small World holiday transforms into a mesmerizing spectacle of lights. The exterior of the attraction comes alive with a dazzling light show, illuminating the night sky with an array of vibrant colors. The harmonious blend of lights and magic creates an awe-inspiring experience that is sure to leave you spellbound. Beyond the visual delights, It's a Small World holiday reinforces the importance of unity and peace among all cultures. As you travel through the different regions, you witness the dolls joining hands and celebrating together, showcasing the beauty of diversity and cooperation. It's a poignant reminder that despite our differences, we can come together and spread joy during the holiday season. It's a Small World holiday at Disneyland is a must-visit attraction during the festive season. From the captivating decorations to the lively music and heartwarming message, this ride offers a truly magical experience for guests of all ages. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned Disney enthusiast, this enchanting journey will leave you with cherished memories and a renewed sense of holiday spirit. So hop aboard and let the magic of It's a Small World holiday transport you into a world of joy and unity. It's a Small World transforms for the holiday and opens usually the first half of November and is one of my favorite attractions. Don't forget to visit DisneylandToday.net for all the latest Disneyland info and news, and head over to our TikTok for Disneyland live streams and so much more. We'll see you in 2 weeks' time, and I'll be in Disneyland next week. Now it's back to you, John.
Thank you for that, Chase. Don't forget to scan that QR code and head over to Chase's TikTok for Disneyland live streams, and also head over to DisneylandToday.net for all the latest info on Disneyland Resort. And this week's Disney Hotel Focus is Disney's Grand Californian Hotel and Spa at Disneyland. The hotel's architecture is stunning, reminiscent of a Grand Lodge nestled in the heart of California's wilderness. The attention to detail is remarkable, with beautiful woodwork, intricate carvings, and cozy fireplaces that instantly transport you to a world of luxury and comfort. The rooms themselves are spacious, elegantly decorated, and equipped with all the modern amenities one could ask for. The beds are incredibly comfortable, ensuring a restful night's sleep after a long day exploring the nearby Disneyland Resort. The view from some rooms overlooking Disney California Adventure Park are breathtaking, especially at sunset when the park is lit up in a kaleidoscope of colors. One of the highlights of your stay will be the proximity to the theme parks. The hotel has a private entrance to Disney California Adventure Park, allowing guests to enter the park before it opens to the general public. This perk allows you to experience popular attractions with shorter wait times, giving you more time to explore and enjoy the magic. The dining options at the hotel are also exceptional. Napa Rose, the hotel's signature restaurant, offers a gourmet dining experience with a delectable menu and an extensive wine list. The Storytellers Cafe provides a delightful character breakfast experience where you can meet your favorite Disney characters while enjoying a delicious meal. The spa at Disney's Grand Californian Hotel is a haven of relaxation and rejuvenation. The treatments are top-notch and the tranquil ambience creates the perfect escape for the hustle and bustle of the theme parks. It is the ideal way to unwind and pamper yourself after a day of excitement. I have to say with this one, the exceptional service provided by the staff is the cherry on top of an already incredible experience. From the moment you check in until the day you depart, the staff will go above and beyond to ensure your stay is nothing short of perfect. They are friendly, attentive, and knowledgeable, always ready to assist with any request or question you may have. In conclusion, Disney's Grand Californian Hotel and Spa will exceed your expectations. It is the epitome of luxury, comfort, and Disney magic. Whether you're visiting Disneyland Resort or simply seeking a luxurious getaway, this hotel is an absolute gem. I personally can't wait to return and create more unforgettable memories in this enchanting oasis. And that's it for today's show. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, and hit the like button. Maria will be back on Wednesday for Merchandise and Fashion Top 10. And until then, it's not goodbye, but we'll see you real soon.